Hi, this is Jeff Cox with Right Now Heating and Air Conditioning, the guys in the pink trucks. Right now, while the weather is mild and my technicians aren't as busy, I'm offering a deep discount for a complete system precision tune-up on both your furnace and air conditioner for only $58. I'm so confident in our deep clean precision tune-up, I will guarantee you the tune-up cost and savings on your summer power bill, or I'll happily refund your money. Call Right Now Heating and Air, the guys in the pink trucks.